Hello, great people. Welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you again. Some persons identified to be concerned Igbo youths have decided to visit the British High Commission in Abuja to submit a report concerning Nnamdi Kanu. I wouldn't like to say much about what they have to do, but I'd like you to look at hear it out for yourself, whether it is truly these people who are doing this are truly Igbos, or there are also concerned Igbos who are demanding the other side to this whole struggle for Biafra. All right, but before we do all of that, we'd like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also on the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. All right, let's listen to the news. Some Igbo youths in Nigeria and diaspora have petitioned the British High Commission in Abuja to open Nnamdi Kanu's case file for Britain to investigate all the allegations leveled against him over his incitement of violence in Nigeria by allegedly ordering his group, Eastern Security Network, to attack police and military personnel in the southeastern part of Nigeria. The leader of the group, Mr. Chukwuma Dike, also alleged that Kanu is sending youths to go and die unnecessarily. According to him, he said, "We don't want Nnamdi Kanu to be killing our people again. Our people have died enough. He has no agenda. He has no plan. What we want is just a peaceful society. Nnamdi Kanu is sending the youth to go and die unnecessarily. He brags that he has atomic bombs. He has this, he has that. And the youths believe him. He has nothing. Kanu is hiding in the United Kingdom. He is a British citizen. So we are here today at the United Kingdom High Commission to submit a letter to the High Commissioner that their citizen is causing problem here in our country. When I announced that I was coming here, they threatened to kill my mother and my younger ones. As I am talking to you, I don't know where the plan is still on ground. We are reporting him to British High Commissioner so that he will take it to the Queen and let her know that her citizen is causing problem for us." Chukwuma claimed that Kanu told them to boycott Nigerians' election, which they agreed to, only for Kanu to collect money 2 days to the election. He said, and I could say, "Go to all my social media pages. You will see threats everywhere. We have said before that we don't want Kanu's pattern in our country. He told us to boycott election, which people accepted. 2 days to the election, he collected money and said referendum document has been signed, sealed, and delivered. He said after the election, we are going to have it. It's over 3 years now. He is still telling us to fight for referendum. Which referendum again? His next strategy now is killing policemen and soldiers in the southeast. How can you kill security operative and expect them to keep quiet? The people killed are their colleagues and some are their best friends. The worst part of it is even that the police and soldiers that are being killed are also from the so-called Biafra. He sent his people to kill anyone that says anything or goes against his policies. Enough is enough. We have had enough of Kanu and we are saying no to him. The only way we can register our grievances is to go to his country, Britain, because that is the passport that he is using. So we are today at the British Embassy to say that we are not happy with what Kanu is doing. IPOB is registered in Britain. We are calling for independent investigation to look into all the activities of Kanu. Kanu has buried many people alive in the southeast. He has sent his talks to kill many people. Today, we, the Igbo youths of Nigeria and diaspora, are here to protest that Nnamdi Kanu's case file must be opened in Britain to investigate all the allegations written in our letters and everything about him, so that we can have a peaceful society. We are not slaves. We are free men. This is serious. And with what we have seen here, I can now see reasons why things are not the way they should be, because there are two sides to the push for Biafra. There are some persons who are not interested in Biafra. They want a serene society in Nigeria, while there are other people who are desperately in need of it, and they don't mind whatever that will happen. At least we want it to be restored. Both sides have their reasons why they are doing so. For those who still want to stay in Nigeria, they believe that their businesses are thriving well, and they are enjoying their private life, and they do not want disturbances. Right now, most of them are even talking about the issue of state of emergency, that very soon the government might likely declare state of emergency in Imo State and other southeastern states, which they are not happy about it. While some other persons believe that there is a brighter and greater future for them if IPOP is a reality, and that is why on a daily basis the push is still on, and they are hearkening to the voice of Nnamdi Kanu. Now I'm going to read some of the reactions of some persons, and also let's look at what Nigeria, and this is coming from Chukwuma, Dike. Let's also see what other southeasterners are saying about what he had allegedly put against Nnamdi Kanu. And here the first person here says, "You are a Sabu. That is why you are talking the way you are doing. If truly you know that Nigeria will continually marginalize you, you wouldn't be talking the way you are talking. If truly you are a freeborn, you won't be saying those words of a man who does not trust in his people." Another person here says, "I do not really enjoy the style of Nnamdi Kanu, because it comes with so much pains for those who are ignorant of the right thing to do. Causing people to continually lose their loved ones like this in the name of realizing Biafra is for us not a good one. I think the right step has not been taken." Another person here says, "These are the people who are sabotaging our effort. Instead of them to join hands with us for us to realize our nation, they are going behind to badmouth Nnamdi Kanu despite how he has traded his liberty to ensure that Biafra is realized." Another person here says, "I am a Hausa person. I love Igbo people, and I want them to still stay in Nigeria. We have been doing businesses together, and all of us have been walking away with our profit. Why is it that this problem is still continuing? It's high time the reasonable Igbo boy should wake up and put Nnamdi Kanu under check before he will sabotage their stay in Nigeria." This one here says, "Nnamdi Kanu is always correct. I don't know who this Chukwuma Dike is. As for me, we will continue to push until Nigeria comes to a conclusion that we need our own nation. Enough of what the government of the day is doing to us." This is really a serious issue. But for me, I'm out of words. I would like to leave it there. Go to our comment section. Let's interact. Do you think that these guys are self-sponsored, or maybe they are being pushed by some other groups to represent, or they are truly airing their mind? Let's interact in our comment section.